Welcome to Advanced Safety and Industrial Supply. I'm excited to share with you how you can redeem Safety Stars to receive products and gift certificates. To begin, make sure you have created an account, as you will need to have an account to redeem your free gifts. I have already logged into my account here, so I'm going to navigate to the rewards area by clicking My Account, and you'll notice Safety Stars in our dashboard. And when we click on Safety Stars, this will take us to our Safety Stars landing page. And here it will tell you the points you currently have and how many points you have pending. You can also view your history here. You'll be able to see all the products and gifts you can receive and how much is needed to earn them. You can easily learn how many points you have by clicking in the lower right-hand corner, and it tells you your recent activity, how many points you have, and how many points you have pending from previous orders. You will notice that the Add to Cart on the rewards gifts will show up on items where we have enough rewards to redeem. Let's go ahead and add a product gift to our shopping cart. And then we'll go to our cart. And as you can see, the order has no dollar value, but showing as a negative value against the items being redeemed. The points will be immediately removed from the account once the order has been placed. So let's go ahead and proceed to checkout. And we can view our order. And you'll notice here how you can receive 1 point for every dollar that you spend, as we are adding 7 points to our balance here because we're spending $7. And so there you have it. You can see how easy it is to start earning products and gifts. We will be adding more gifts regularly, so be sure to check back on our rewards page often.